Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In every big Russian city at the moment, there's billboard after billboard containing huge posters with pictures of soldiers on them, and often there'll be a number, and the number is the amount of money that the Russian government is offering people if they voluntarily sign up to join the Russian army. Often they're offering crazy amounts of money. And the reason they're doing this is because Russia is losing thousands and thousands of men every week in Ukraine. The Ukrainian drone units are taking them out and they're killing 1,500, 1,600, 1,800 Russians a day. And basically, the Russian army is slowly running out of cannon fodder. If you describe soldiers as being cannon fodder, you basically mean they're not considered important. The authorities don't care if they get injured or killed, so long as they help them in the pursuit of their war aims. They're seen as disposable. They're basically just meat for the guns. If any of you have seen the film called Mr. Nobody Against Putin, you will have seen the way that Russian schools are basically brainwashing young kids in order to create the next generation of cannon fodder. Cannons are like big guns that fire long-distance artillery. Fodder was originally, or is originally, the food that you feed farm animals. We also use it to mean something or somebody that's useful for a particular purpose. So, politicians have always been good fodder for comedians. And if you don't get a good education, you might end up as factory fodder, basically just as a worker that's not treated well and only exists in order to work in the factories. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use cannon fodder.